Review: Coach Pillow Tabby 18. I've been obsessing over this bag and now it's finally mine. I said it once, and I'll say it again. Coach is back. I've had my eye on Coach's ever-changing assortment for the last 2 years or so, and I knew they were destined for a comeback. Aesthetics: Coach Pillow Tabby 18. I can't say enough good things about the style of this bag. Then again, I've been enamored by pillow bags for a while now. I've loved seeing more and more brands jump on this bandwagon, and this silhouette just does it for me. While overall it's a simple silhouette, the puffy, padded leather paired with the monochrome leather C makes the bag fashionable and fun, but not overly so. The mini size is petite and compact, and it really is just so cute. The matte gold hardware works really well here too, and I like that it's not super shiny, giving the bag a more casual appeal if you choose to dress it down. I debated between the pink and the ivory, especially since the pink would match my new-to-me coat so well, but ultimately I decided the ivory would go with more. Truthfully, I would have given this a full 5 stars, but the leather on the flap does pull ever so slightly, so I knocked off half a star. Usability plus functionality: Coach Pillow Tabby 18. In terms of usability, this bag is small, there's no doubt about that, but it's fairly easy to organize your belongings with 2 interior compartments and an internal slip pocket. Not to mention, the snap flap closure is very easy to get in and out of on the go. I wore this bag on the subway twice, so I can definitely attest to that. I was able to fit a small card case with my license, 3 credit cards, and MetroCard in the back slip pocket, freeing up the main 2 compartments for my iPhone, a pair of sunglasses in a microfiber pouch, my keys, headphones, and a lip gloss. There are 2 straps in terms of carrying, and both are completely removable, allowing for top handle carry or shoulder crossbody wear with a long adjustable strap. Overall dimensions are 7.25 L by 4 inches HX 2.5 D. Quality plus construction: Coach Pillow Tabby 18. I absolutely cannot say enough good things about the quality of this bag, especially given the price. The leather smells absolutely divine and is so incredibly soft. I wore this bag out to dinner with friends on a Friday night and then again with a different set of friends the next day, and both groups remarked on how cute the bag was. I took it off and made them feel it because I truly was so impressed with it, and they all agreed. I did knock off a star because the Napa leather is prone to scratches, and you have to be pretty gentle with it. Additionally, as mentioned above, there is a slight pull on the front flap, but nothing that would deter me from purchasing this bag had I not been gifted it by Coach. It's truly so worth it. Price plus value: Coach Pillow Tabby 18. The Coach Pillow Tabby 18 retails for $395 via Coach, which I think is more than a fair price for a leather bag. Note that it's lined in fabric. As mentioned previously, I was truly impressed with the quality upon seeing it in person, and I think its price is more than warranted. The only reason I didn't give this a full 5 stars is because I believe nothing is perfect, but also this bag isn't an everyday bag, and if you're used to carrying a lot, this bag won't do it for you, so you need to be mindful of cost per wear. Staying power: Coach Pillow Tabby 18. Coach is truly a timeless, American brand that is beloved by many and known by almost all. Yet, we know that the brand has been through many iterations of change, so I'm not entirely confident that this bag will stick around forever. Additionally, its pillow shape is on the more trendy side, leading me to question how long this bag will be in For now, though, the Coach Pillow Tabby 18 is here to stay, as it's a big part of the Coach lineup and was recently released in new metallic colors for the holiday season. Overall rating Coach Pillow Tabby 18. The Coach Pillow Tabby 18 is a big part of Coach's current lineup, and fans both new and old can't go wrong with this on-trend shape. It's not only cute and fun, but it's seriously a great value for the price. It can be dressed up or dressed down, perfect to wear with sneakers for a day out or with high-heeled booties and a sleek blazer for a night out. Whether you've been a fan of the classic American brand for years, are new to it, or are rediscovering the brand with fresh eyes, the Pillow Tabby is a great bag to wear now and beyond.